Next we are going to see demultiplexer. A multiplexer, we know many input and one output. Any one of the input will be carried out to the output side through selection line. Okay. Now demultiplexer is a circuit which receives information on a single line and it transmits this information to any one of the 2 power n possible output. So the output selection can be done using selection line. Okay, so here also we have data line, output line and selection line, but we have one data line and many output line. But in multiplexer we had many data line, one output line. Okay, so anyhow there and here selection line, the purpose of selection line is same. In multiplexer, selection line used to select any one of the input line, but here in demultiplexer, selection line is used to select any one of the output line. Okay, so block diagram. One data line, m selection line, n output lines. The relation between selection line and output line is n equal to 2 power m. If you have 8 output lines, 3 selection lines will be there. If you have 16 output lines, 4 selection lines will be there. Okay. Now I will draw 1:4 demultiplexer. One is 4 demultiplexer. So outputs are 4, so selection lines are 2. 2 per 2, 4. 2 selection lines. 2 selection lines I am taking A and B. A bar, B bar. Same thing, 4 outputs means 4 AND gate we have to use. And at this side we used to draw data lines. No, we have only one data line. So this data line can be sent to any of the output line. Can be sent to any of the output line. So this data line should be connected with all the AND gates. Next, this selection of data line can be done using control inputs or selection input. So that is nothing but A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B, AB. Okay, into DIN. Now A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B. So this is the circuit of 1:4 multiplexer. 1:4 multiplexer. Now the truth table. See here, one more line is there, that is called enable line. Enable. So this is used to enable the multiplexer. So this line should be connected with all the AND gates. Okay, this should be 1. This enable pin should be 1. Then only multiplexer will work. So truth table, enable, Okay, so see here, this is 1 is to 4, so 4 outputs are there, so outputs I have named y0, y1, y2, y3. If enable is 0, this multiplexer will not be activated. If enable is 0, multiplexer will not be activated, so none of the output line is activated. Okay, enable is activated, so multiplexer will work. If both are AB is 0, 0, we will get y0 output will be enabled. So D input we will receive through y0, remaining on 0. Next, AB is 0 and 1. If AB is 0, 1, y1 output line will be activated. Y1 output line will be activated, so that DIN input we will get through y1. If DIN is 0, y1 is 0. If DIN is 1, y1 is 1. Okay. Remaining all 0. This is understood now? If DIN is 1, DIN equal to 1 and AB are 0, 1. AB are 0, 1. 0, 1 means y1 will be activated. Y1 will be activated. So y1 is equal to DIN, that is nothing but 1. Okay. So DIN value we will get through any one of the output line. To activate the output line, we need selection line. See, selection line is 0, 1, so y1 is activated. Through y1 you will receive DIN. DIN is 1 here. If DIN is 0, y1 will be 0. Okay. See, next we are going to see decoder. Decoder is identical to demultiplexer, but there is no data line in decoder. So except the data line, it is all same as demultiplexer, only for decoder. Okay. So if I remove data line from the demultiplexer, it is decoder. Okay. So only selection line and output lines we have. So how you will write here? 2 power m is n decoder. 2 power m is n decoder. Okay. Same thing, relationship between these two are same. Next, I will draw demultiplexer. So what I have to draw? If output is 4, output is 4, selection line. This side I have to write. See, multiplexer, demultiplexer means we used to write input is output. But here you have to write selection input and output. So selection inputs are, if output is 4, selection inputs are 2. So 2 is 2 to 4 decoder. 2 to 4 decoder. So 2 selection lines I have taken A and B. I should remove the data line. So there is no data inputs. So only 2 selection inputs and enable. And how to change the truth table? In truth table, there is no data input. Instead you can write 1. Okay. So if selection lines are A and B, y0 line is activated. If this is 1 and 1, y3 line is activated. Okay. So now we are going to solve problems using decoder. Implement the following function using 3:8 decoder and external gate. Okay. So Boolean expression is given. You have to implement this using 3:8 decoder. 3:8 decoder means 3 selection line and 8 output lines, and also we can use external gate. So 2 things are allowed here: 3-stage decoder and external gate. 3:8 decoder. So block diagram we know. Here selection lines will be there, A, B, C selection lines, 3 selection lines and one more enable. Actually enable is active low pin, so you have to draw enable bar. Okay, active low pin means when the pin is having 0 value, that time it will be activated. Okay, so normally if this is EN, we have to activate this, we should give 1 to this enable pin. If it is EN bar, we must give 0 to activate this. Okay, and outputs are 3 selection line and 8 outputs. So Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. Okay. And in the Boolean expression, we got 1 to Y1. So you take Y1, Y2, Y3, Y7. This is the external gate. I am taking OR gate because this is min terms means SOP, no? So we have to use OR gate. 1, 2, 3 and 7. This is function. 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. Second question. See, 3 functions are given, F1, F2, F3, everywhere min terms are given. Okay, so min terms means which gate we have to use? OR gate. Okay, so how many OR gate is required here? 3 OR gate. One is each one for each function. Okay, so 3 OR gate we have to use, and 3 is to 8 decoder. So 3 selection inputs A, B, C, 8 outputs Y0 to Y7, and to activate this we have enable. Okay. We need 3 OR gates. So OR gates I am drawing here. This is for function 1. This is for function 2. This is for function 3. Okay. Function 1 min terms are 0, 4, 6. 0, 4, 6. So Y0, Y4, Y6. Y6. Function 2 min terms are Y0 and Y5. Y0, Y5. Function 3 min terms are 1, 2, 3, 4. So Y1, Y2, Y3, Y7. This is the solution. Next, third question. Implement the full adder using 3 to 8 decoder. Implement the full adder. Full adder inputs are 3, A, B, C. Okay. So first step is truth table. We have to form the truth table for full adder. Okay. Full adder means 3 inputs, sum, carry. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. If inputs are 3 variable, then 8 output combination. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sum and carry. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sum 0, carry is also 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum 1, carry is also 1. This is sum 1, carry is 0. Here 2 ones are there, so 1, 1. Again, sorry. 1 plus 1, sum 0, 1 carry. Sum 0, 1 carry. Sum 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 11. Sum is also 1, carry is also 1. So this is the truth table. Now we have to convert this truth table to 8:1. So means we have to implement this truth table using 3 to A's decoder. So in step 2, decoder implementation. So two functions, one function for sum, another function for carry. So we need two OR gate. Okay. So first I will do for sum. Sum. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. So in sum I have 1 for y1 is 1, y2 is 1, y4 is 1, y7 is 1. So all the ones I should connect to the OR gate. So y1, y2, y1, y2, then y4, y7, y4 and y7. Okay. Sum is over. Now carry. Carry y3 is 1, y3 is 1, then y5, 6, 7 is 1. Carry is also 1.